Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best puzzle roll-up mat is probably one of the most convenient and practical inventions for puzzle lovers, especially those tackling challenging 2,000-piece masterpieces. This amazing mat not only provides a smooth, portable surface for your puzzling adventures but also offers a clever roll-up design for easy storage and protection, ensuring your hard work remains safe and sound, ready for your next puzzling session, making it an essential tool for any serious puzzler. Number 5. Jigsaw Puzzle Mat Roll-Up. It has frame lines to help you improve jigsaw puzzle efficiency. A cover mat protects your puzzle pieces, making it easier for everyone, especially kids and the elderly. This kit includes everything you need: a felt mat, a black cover, an inflatable tube, a hand pump, a storage bag, and adjustable straps. It's got all the features you've been looking for. The felt cover prevents puzzle pieces from breaking when rolled up with the inflatable tube. It's the perfect solution for storing and transporting your puzzles, whether finished or in progress. It's designed for ease of use. Just inflate the tube, roll up the mat, tie the bands, and put it in the bag. It's that simple. It holds up to 2,000 puzzle pieces, making it a wonderful gift for kids, adults, and friends. We also offer excellent customer service to help with any questions. What we like? It has a unique cover mat to protect your puzzle pieces and comes with all the accessories you need. It's incredibly easy to store and transport, making it perfect if you frequently move your puzzle or have limited space. If you value a complete, convenient kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The size was good but doesn't totally keep the puzzle pieces from breaking apart when rolling it up. This puzzle mat works great for securely rolling up and storing a puzzle in progress, without messing anything up. We've been using ours for years, and just ordered one for my mom. We have the largest size, which easily holds a 2,000-piece puzzle, and barely holds a 3,000-piece puzzle. It has line markings and measurements for several different size puzzles. The line markings with puzzle dimensions really come in handy for knowing where to place edges when starting a puzzle. Just make sure you use the included Velcro cover sheet and straps. Number 4. Jigsaw Puzzle Mat Roll-Up. It features a unique anti-leak slit, keeping it inflated longer. Simply inflate and enjoy the peace of mind knowing it's built to last. This all-in-one kit includes a felt mat, inflatable tube, hand pump, storage bag, and Velcro straps. Everything you need for your puzzles is right here. Packing up your puzzle is a breeze. Just inflate the tube, roll up the mat, secure it with straps, and slip it into the bag. Simple and quick. The included drawstring bag keeps your puzzle mat safe. It even has a hanging rope and a card slot for easy storage and organization. Have questions or need help? Our customer service team is here to assist you. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like? This boasts a superior inflatable tube with an anti-leak design, ensuring your puzzle stays protected during transport. It's an all-in-one kit with everything you need for a seamless puzzling experience. If you prioritize a long-lasting, hassle-free solution, this is your best bet. What people say. This mat was just what I needed to work on a puzzle at my kitchen table so that I could fold it up to put it away when I wasn't working on it. This arrived as stated. This is easy to use and I do recommend this product. Once I ironed it, it was fine and it rolled up easily. It is okay, but it's nice to work on for a puzzle because the pieces stay in place. Number 3. Genovega Puzzle Mat. It's frustrating to lose puzzle pieces, but not anymore. This roll-up puzzle mat keeps everything organized and in place, making puzzling more enjoyable. This versatile mat protects your puzzle pieces from curious pets and children. Plus, it rolls up for easy storage, saving space. You get 6 sorter trays, a felt mat, an inflatable tube, a pump, Velcro straps, and a storage bag, everything you need for a smooth puzzling experience. The felt mat provides a smooth surface for easy assembly, while the sorting trays keep your pieces neatly organized. No more hunting for that missing piece. It's compact and portable, perfect for travel. Take your puzzles on vacation or to a friend's house without worrying about lost pieces. It's great for puzzles, but also for crafting, sewing, or board games. It's a versatile addition to any family's game collection. What we like? It includes handy sorter trays to keep your puzzle pieces organized. Its compact design makes it highly portable, ideal for taking your puzzle on the go. If you need a solution for organization and portability, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I can now roll up and move my puzzles while they stay in place. The little piece holders are assembled by a simple button. The felt mat works great and keeps pieces in place while you're working on it. When rolling up the mat with the inflatable tube, it's helpful to roll and unroll it slowly, but it does a fantastic job of keeping everything in place, both parts of the puzzle you've connected as well as loose pieces you may have on the side. The trays for pieces are nice to be able to sort different pieces into and stack well. Puzzle mat was great for easy fold-up, travel, and the ability to continue puzzling anywhere. Kept pieces in place without them sliding around. The organization bowls made it easy for sorting and made completing the puzzle a lot easier. Number 2. Black 2000 Pieces Puzzle Mat. This innovative kit has everything you need for a smooth puzzling experience, from a large felt mat to convenient storage. Simply lay it down to start puzzling and roll it up when you're done. It's that easy to store your progress. Its extra large size accommodates puzzles of all sizes, from 500 to 2000 pieces. Clear guidelines make it perfect for all ages. Made with high-quality felt, it provides a smooth surface to prevent pieces from slipping. Enjoy stress-free puzzling. Roll it up, secure it with the straps, and store it in the included bag. It's perfect for taking your puzzle on the go. We're confident in its quality and offer a 2-year warranty. Contact us with any questions. What we like. This includes convenient sorting trays to keep your pieces organized and is made with high-quality felt for a smooth puzzling surface. It's easy to transport and store, making it perfect if you like to move your puzzle around. If you value organization and a smooth puzzling experience, this is the one for you. What people say. Keeps pieces from sliding off table. Great for small homes or homes that do not have dedicated puzzle space. The mat is non-slip so pieces do not go missing easily. It comes with little containers to help you organize. Number 1. Jigsaw Puzzle Mat Roll-Up Kit. This kit has everything you need for a smooth puzzling experience. It includes a large mat, sorter trays, an inflatable tube, and a storage bag, all designed to make puzzling easier and more enjoyable. The mat's smooth top allows puzzle pieces to slide easily, while the non-slip bottom keeps it securely in place. Auxiliary lines help you get started, making it perfect for puzzlers of all ages and skill levels. Simply iron it before first use for a perfectly flat surface. When you're ready to pause, inflate the tube, roll up the mat, secure it with the straps, and store it neatly in the provided bag. The convenient storage bag keeps your puzzle safe and organized, preventing accidental damage. It's perfect for home use or taking your puzzle on the go. We're here to help. Contact us if you have any questions or issues. We hope you enjoy your new puzzle mat and have a wonderful puzzling experience. What we like. It features a smooth surface for easy puzzle assembly and includes sorter trays for piece organization. It's designed for easy storage and transport. If you're looking for a smooth, organized, and portable puzzling experience, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The material is great because it allows you to slide pieces around, but it isn't slippery. It's thick and durable. I love the straps that tighten hold the rolled up mat together. It's a good design. We love the snap-together sorting baskets. When we are ready to work on a section, we just unsnap them and it allows us to spread out the pieces without dumping them all out. It rolls up with pieces intact. It doesn't move around because of the material underneath. Bowls are a game changer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.